You will have lots of questions. You will have nervousness in the beginning, but I think you should give it a try. Go for it. You will definitely feel the difference. The overall experience, I would say, was really nice, and they really helped me select the product, make the process very easy. They also made me very comfortable. I'm not that nervous when, whether it's choosing the product or, coming up with the hairstyle selections or the color and everything. Like when I look myself in the mirror, it feels better. It looks more natural too. It doesn't look like it doesn't feel like I'm a different one. Right? I still feel me. So yeah, it's all good.